Hi, today, I'm going to show you how to create a simple and fast file downloader using Python. Alright, now let's get into the code. First, we're going to import the requests module in our program. Then we'll define a new function that will be responsible for our file downloads, with arguments URL and local underscore file. To load the data into memory, we will make an HTTP request to the file server and save the response in a variable. After that, we'll open a context manager to handle local file manipulations. Our file has been loaded into memory, now let's write it into our local storage. Make the file as write binary mode. Then write the contents of the response into the file. Next, print the success result on screen. Declare the URL and file name, and call the function. Now run the program. Our program worked, but it was very dull and dry, and it lacked a download progress notification and needed some modifications. For that purpose, let's add a progress bar in our program that shows how much of the file has been downloaded yet. For this purpose, we'll be using the TQDM module. Let's write our program from the beginning for clarity. This time, also import the TQDM module. If you haven't installed TQDM, install it in your system by running pip install TQDM in a terminal or command shell. Again, open a context manager using the open function. Now, nest another context manager. Here, we will customize our progress bar for the file that will be downloaded. In the parameters, first, write the total size of the file, which we have missed to declare. Alright, write total underscore size. For it, we'll modify it later. Our unit has to be in bytes. Write B for the unit, and make the unit underscore scale true to automatically scale the unit to kilobyte, megabyte, etc. Write the name of the file variable to show next to the progress bar. To make the progress bar work and to make the downloads efficient and fast, we'll write the file into chunks. The file can be converted into chunks by using the iter underscore content function of the requests module. Time to create the total underscore size variable. Use the integer function so that we can get the size of the file in integers, as the header's request often writes the total size of the content length as a string. The header is used to find the total size of a file. Make the other value 0 because when a server lacks the content length header, it defaults the value to 0 to avoid any errors and for precision. Let's get back to the chunking statement. I have written the chunk size as 512 bytes as it worked smoothly for me before. There should be a keep alive filter for the chunks because servers send keep alive messages to the host to keep the connection alive. These messages are empty byte files. To avoid any file errors, we have to filter out those. This condition only lets the chunks that are non-empty. Now, write the chunks into the file. Use the progress bar update function to update the download progress. Finally, print a download complete message. Declare the URL and file name, and call the function. Now run the program. And our downloader runs successfully. We have created a simple, efficient, and interactive file downloader. This downloader has a benefit over others because, due to its miniature size and nature, it uses little or no RAM and CPU. It can be deployed into many other systems or programs. You can modify it for further improvements. And that's it, you've just created a simple and efficient file downloader using Python. This script can be easily adapted to download multiple files or to handle different file types. Before we wrap up, I want to let you know that I'm available for custom projects. If you have any programming challenges or need specific code solutions, feel free to reach out to me. I can help create a wide range of Python projects tailored to your needs.